January 6th, 2021 on your own. A printer prints 96 pages in 4 minutes. 96 pages in 4 minutes. At the same rate, how many pages does the printer print in 8 minutes? So we're trying to figure out how many pages it can print in 8 minutes. So first we need to figure out, okay, 96 pages in 4 minutes. We need to figure out how many per minute. So we need to figure out how many per minute. So how many pages per minute? And then we can figure out for 1 minute, we can multiply that by 8. All right, so 96 divided by 4. 4 can go into 9 2 times. 4 times 2 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Drop that 6. 4 goes into 16 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. Subtract and you get 0. Nothing else to bring down. So there will be 24 pages printed per minute. Now, with that, we need to figure out how many pages in 8 minutes. So we need to multiply that by 8. I'm going to write that in red. Multiply by 8. All right, so because we're trying to get 8 minutes, 1 minute to 8 minutes. So 24 times 8. 8 times 4 is going to be 24. So carry that 2, drop that 4. 8 times 2 is going to be 16 plus, oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. 8 times 4 is not 24. Whoa, my bad. 8 times 4 is 32 because 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 16 is 32. My bad. Whoa, so sorry. 32. 6 times 4 is 24. That's what I was thinking. 8 times 2 is going to be 16 plus 3, 17, 18, and 19. Woo, what did I do? Nah, stop. No, stop. Okay. I'm so sorry. 8 times 2 is 16 plus 3, 17, 18, 19. So 192 pages. Yes, you could have looked and said, oh, 4 minutes. If you double that, you get 8 minutes. So if you double 96, 96 times 2, you will get the same answer. 6 times 2 is 12. 2 times 9 is 18, plus 1 is 19, 192. So our answer is 192 pages. And you can say in 8 minutes if you want to. But that is going to be our answer. Whoa. Okay, yeah, you can see it. All right, and that is it for the On Your Own. Great job.